Welcome everyone. Today, we're going to discuss how to profit from Facebook. With over 2.8 billion monthly active users, Facebook offers a massive platform for businesses and individuals to reach their target audience and generate income. Let's dive into 5 key strategies to maximize your profits on Facebook. 1. Optimize your page's layout and design. The first impression matters, and a well-designed page can make a great first impression. Keep your layout clean, easy to navigate, and use high-quality images and videos to grab the attention of your audience. 2. Leverage Facebook ads. With various targeting options, you can accurately determine who sees your ads and maximize your return on investment. Facebook ads allows you to target demographics, interests, and locations, ensuring that your ads are shown to the right people. 3. Utilize Facebook Marketplace. The Facebook Marketplace is a great way to sell your products or services to millions of users. It's user-friendly and allows you to set your own prices, create detailed descriptions, and accept payments. 4. Engage with your audience. Building a strong relationship with your audience can lead to increased engagement and conversions. Respond to comments, messages, and inquiries promptly, and encourage your followers to like, share, and comment on your content. 5. Explore Facebook ads courses. There are numerous online courses available that can teach you how to create and run successful Facebook ads campaigns. By learning the ropes, you can improve your chances of profiting from Facebook ads and other platforms. In conclusion, Facebook offers endless opportunities for businesses to grow and profit. By optimizing your page's design, leveraging Facebook ads, utilizing the Facebook Marketplace, engaging with your audience, and taking advantage of online courses, you can maximize your profits on this popular social media platform.